This AVACRAFT 8-inch stainless steel fry pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It's made with 18/10 stainless steel. This means it is strong and resists rust. The pan has a special matte finish inside. This helps prevent scratches from your cooking tools. The outside has a shiny mirror finish. It will look good with your other pans. This AVACRAFT 8-inch stainless steel fry pan has some useful features. It has side spouts. These make pouring sauces easy. The pan also comes with a lid. The lid helps keep heat inside while you cook. This pan works on all kinds of stovetops. You can use it on induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. It is also oven safe without the lid. This makes it versatile for different cooking settings. Overall, the AVACRAFT 8-inch stainless steel fry pan is a solid choice. It is durable and easy to clean. The side spouts are a thoughtful design. They help prevent messy pours into the sink. While it's not non-stick, it's great for making eggs and other dishes. This pan can handle acidic foods well. It seems like a reliable tool for your cooking status. Pros: stainless steel, induction ready, oven safe, dishwasher safe, with lid, side spouts. Versatile, durable, easy to clean. 8-inch size. Cons: can stick food, uneven heating possible, can be heavier, longer preheat time, can show scratches, may discolor over time, heat conductivity lower than copper, can be pricier than other materials, requires careful cleaning, handle can get hot. Features: 18/10 stainless steel 8-inch size, includes a lid, has side spouts, induction ready. Versatile skillet, tri-ply base, stay cool handle, dishwasher safe, oven safe. No lid. This AVACRAFT 8-inch frying pan is made of strong 18/10 stainless steel and has a lid. It can be used on all kinds of stoves, even induction. The pan has a special bottom with 3 layers to help heat spread evenly. It also has spouts on the sides to make pouring easy and a handle that stays cool. You can even put the pan in the dishwasher to clean it. And it's safe to use in the oven if you take the lid off. This AVACRAFT 8-inch stainless steel frying pan is made from 18/10 stainless steel and is compatible with induction cooktops. It comes with a lid and side spouts for easy pouring. The pan is oven and dishwasher safe, offering versatility and easy cleaning. While generally durable, stainless steel can sometimes stick to food, may heat unevenly, and can be heavier with a longer preheat time compared to other materials. It might also show scratches or discolor over time and has lower heat conductivity than copper, potentially making it pricier and requiring careful cleaning, with the handle possibly getting hot.